Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Ever faced a choice where every option felt risky, or the consequences were huge if you picked wrong? That's where decision analysis comes in. Think of it like a GPS for complex choices, helping you map out outcomes and make the smartest call. Decision analysis is a structured way to evaluate options and make informed choices when the stakes are high or the situation is complex. Today, we're exploring decision analysis, a technique that helps you weigh alternatives, assess risks, and prioritize decisions based on evidence and impact. Let's look into it. Why should we use decision analysis? Simple. Decisions shape outcomes. Poor decisions lead to wasted resources, missed opportunities, and unnecessary risks. Decision analysis gives you a structured way to compare options, quantify risks, and choose the path that actually makes sense. It's about clarity and confidence. You're not guessing, you're evaluating, ranking, and documenting choices using clear criteria. And that builds trust. Stakeholders can see exactly why you're recommending an option, which is crucial in business analysis. How does it actually work? Decision analysis works because it breaks big decisions into clear, measurable criteria. You compare options objectively, assign scores or weights, and analyze the risks tied to each choice. This structure removes bias, sharpens discussions, and exposes the trade-offs people usually overlook. Instead of debating gut feelings, everyone can see the data laid out plainly. This technique shines when decisions are complex, the impact is high, or multiple stakeholders need alignment. When should you reach for decision analysis? Ask yourself, is the decision complex or high impact? Are there multiple options or tricky trade-offs? Do stakeholders need clear justification? If the answer is yes to any of these, decision analysis is your friend. It's perfect for vendor selection, system choices, or prioritizing major business initiatives. So how do you actually apply decision analysis? Here's a clear step-by-step approach. 1. Define the decision clearly. Know exactly what you're deciding, scope, constraints, and the desired outcome. 2. Identify options. List every viable alternative, even ones that seem unlikely. 3. Set criteria. Decide what factors matter most: cost, time, risk, ROI, stakeholder impact. 4. Weight the criteria. Not all factors are equal. Assign relative importance so trade-offs are visible. 5. Evaluate options. Score each option against your criteria, using evidence where possible. 6. Analyze results. Compare scores, surface risks, and review sensitivity to different weights or assumptions. 7. Make a recommendation. Present the chosen option with the supporting analysis, not just opinions, and include key assumptions and risks. Let's say your organization is selecting a vendor for a new CRM system. You have 3 options on the table: vendor A, vendor B, and vendor C. Your criteria are clear: cost, integration, support, and scalability. You apply weighting: cost at 30%, integration at 25%, support at 20%, and scalability at 25%. Each vendor is scored from 1 to 5 against every criterion. You run the numbers, calculate the weighted totals, and vendor B comes out on top. You also highlight that vendor C carries integration risks, something the team needs to factor into the decision. You present the full table, the scoring, and the rationale. And now your recommendation isn't just an opinion, it's defensible, clear, and backed by evidence. Want to ace decision analysis? Keep your criteria measurable and relevant. Involve stakeholders early so priorities are aligned from the start. Document your assumptions and trade-offs. They matter more than you think. And revisit decisions whenever new data shifts the landscape. These simple habits make your analysis credible, practical, and truly actionable. So that's decision analysis in a nutshell, a structured way to weigh options, reduce risk, and make decisions everyone can trust. Your next step? Try it on your next high-stakes choice and watch your confidence soar. Next up, we'll dive into item tracking, another powerful BA technique to keep projects on course. See you then.